Gentlemen, we've got some vital jewelry for you. Are you interested in some pocket tools that'll click the complicated issues like peanuts, maybe? There are also a couple of things that'll help ease stress and occupy your hands. A bulky wallet's a pain in the ass for those who take just a couple of cards and some bills with them. This minimalist knife might be your way out. Don't jump to conclusions. You see that clip? You can use it to keep your cards, cash, and an ID card in one place. And a built-in foldable knife is always helpful. When opened, almost 3-inch razor-sharp blade is locked by a solid liner lock. When not in need, slide the liner lock to the left to easily close the knife. The tool is light and compact, so it won't add much weight to your pockets. Very handy when you want to go out without taking your whole wallet with you. Okay, this is another multifunctional tool with the most essential things that fit in your pocket. Let's start with a 2.5-inch blade with a lock that keeps it in place. There's also a box cutter to open a parcel in seconds. Aside from that, you might need a chisel edge to scrape off the stickers and a file to smooth the surface. Know all? No problem. And of course, several built-in screwdrivers nearby are always handy. Finally, spring-loaded scissors are the cherry on top. So what if the most crucial survival gear could fit in a pencil? Well, here it is, in the Flint from SOG. So first, there's a built-in fire starter that produces fat sparks. There's also a steel wood tinder compartment, so you can make a fire a bit quicker. If your car door's blocked and you don't have anyone to ask for assistance, you may need a glass breaker with a carbide tip to get out. Weighing in at less than an ounce and measuring barely 4 inches long, it's small enough to be carried on a lanyard, in a pocket, or in a pack. Wherever the destination is, it's always nice to have a backup plan. Isn't it handy when all the needed tools for camping are hanging on your wrist? Yup, this isn't an ordinary accessory. Need a paracord? Just cut the adjustable bracelet. Want to make a fire? You have all the tools you need right at your fingertips. Finally, if you're blessed with the superpower to navigate in space, a compass is a little bonus. This one's for another wrist. As you see, the bracelet here is also made of paracord, and the buckle actually doubles as a sheath for a 1.5-inch knife. When needed, it immediately deploys the blade. When not, it firmly holds it in place. So there's no chance you'll cut yourself. You see that T-post on the buckle? Link it to the adjustable loop to safely put the bracelet on your wrist. Now you're ready for any kind of situation. Just pick the most preferable design. Aren't you a big fan of bracelets? Okay, imagine carrying a dinosaur in your pocket that comes with 7 functions in a compact design. The Jurassic Croc is TSA safe, and the tape cutter is sharp enough to cut tape, but not your hands or pockets. The edges are silky smooth, so it's comfortable to carry. You might also need a pry to open can lids, several screwdrivers and a hex wrench to tighten screws and bolts. And yes, this T-Rex will open a bottle for you with its teeth. Looking for a compact ruler to keep always at hand? This one might be a solid choice since it has a couple of benefits. You see that sliding pointer and a lock wheel? The truth is the ruler's actually modular. It consists of 2 parts, and by rotating the knob, you can locate the lower part of the ruler. Yes, the device also doubles as a caliper. And when there's a bolt to be fixed, you can use it as an open-end wrench. A little combo, you'll never forget the measuring result. Its center is decorated with a tactile brass grill which provides grip when sliding. Having an extra outlet when working in the garage is always a good thing. This one by Maxima is actually a powerful workstation with 8 outlets, 2 USB ports, and additional lighting to your workspace. Want to mount it on the wall? Okay. Prefer to use it as a standalone unit? No problem. Those 2 powerful work lights on both sides will illuminate your space for optimal work conditions. They can be adjusted up and down 90 degrees. Need to juice up your phone? Put it onto the built-in phone stand while it's charging while you work. This thing is way better than a standard power strip. We aren't over with the minimalist accessories yet. This Travax Contour wallet, pretty similar to the clip we've spoken before, but it's a bit more spacious. It fits up to 10 cards and about 20 bills of folding money. The leather compartment makes that possible. Just like any other wallet, this one is RFID blocking. Put it in your pocket or hang it on the lanyard. The choice is yours. Finally, you can show off a little when drinking beer with your friends outdoors. Their wallets won't perform the same trick. We're interrupting this video for breaking news. You'll never misplace screwdriver bits again. This Apollo Tools screwdriver is a combo of 8 most frequently used screwdrivers within one compact body. When you need one of them, just unfold it. What's cool? There's a tiny flashlight right in the middle to work in low light conditions. All you need is to insert the batteries. Want to see the final result? Turn the tool over and turn on the bigger flashlight. Smells like big fish. Take out your fishing rods, gentlemen. Forgotten the bait? Next time, just take this fishing storage bag and load all the needed stuff to catch a big fish. As you see, it's spacious and features dozens of pockets. The front one is perfect for sunglasses or for a fishing line. There's also a slip pocket for your pliers so you don't have to look around for something to cut the line. Too afraid to lose them? Tether them to your bag. The bigger pocket in the lower part is perfect for keeping bait, hooks, and so on. The die-cut mole system may come in handy for attaching some additional stuff. On both sides, you can store your water and even a rod. So clip the bag on the chest and go search for a big fish. Meet a keychain with huge potential. Aside from keeping your keys in one place, it may turn into a screwdriver, a ruler, and a bottle opener. Need a hex wrench? Okay. Want to open the box? No problem. It even produces some sparks to set a fire. And if anything goes wrong, you'll break the glass in a matter of seconds. And that's not the whole list of its features. Not bad for something that small. An extra light is always a good thing. This portable work light might be handy here. Clip it to any magnetic surface, adjust the angle and the brightness. Perfect. Is it too boring? Turn on the speaker. Yes, the device features a built-in speaker. Connect via Bluetooth and turn on your favorite playlist. And don't worry if you spill some beer on it, it's waterproof. At some point in their lives, every self-sufficient man faced that difficult decision. Should they buy an RC plane, RC helicopter, or a drone? Swan Voyager is a perfect combo of 3 devices in one body. Turn on the multi-rotor mode when you need to land or take off. The drone will do both actions vertically, so you don't need a runway. When you switch to the fixed wing mode, it'll fly horizontally just like a plane. The battery capacity is big enough to run up to 60 minutes on one full charge and covers up to 25 miles on a 55 mph max speed. As for the drone part, the Swan Voyager is equipped with a 12-megapixel cam that records in 4K Ultra HD at 30 FPS. The drone can also transmit full HD videos within a 5-mile range and uses 3-axis stabilization. To make your experience even more immersive, the device supports FPV headsets and HEQ Fly software. Click, clack, click, clack. Do you need to relax a little or just kill some time? This spinner will help you do that. So first, it looks really cool with those wings. Pull them if you want, or just spin it like any other spinner. No big deal. Where does that green light come from? These are actually vial tubes that are installed right into the wings. Looks cool. The spinner consists of 29 parts, so one more way to reduce stress is actually to disassemble it, then put all the parts back together. Looking for something a bit more brutal? Bang bang! Oh, sorry, click click. The upper part here slides smoothly thanks to the built-in magnets, but it still looks so true to life. Now work a little with your thumb and spin that ring. No? Okay, there are 9 balls to tease your fingertips. It's like a little acupuncture session. Next up, we have the Ultimate Body Shaver. So first, it stands out with a long ergonomic handle that lets you reach every spot, from the shoulders to lower back. The unique safety blade technology ensures a smooth shaving experience without any cuts, whether you prefer wet shave or dry. And then you're free to detach the handle anytime. This way, the shaver actually fits your palm. Thanks to the neat sliding mechanism, blade replacement is as easy and safe as it gets. Oh, and great news for travelers. The handle's foldable so you can take it anywhere you go.